shit is metal, yeah! Welcome to KDNQ, your local radio station, where I'm not supposed to say fucking sorry, but it is metal, yeah!
Put another $5 in the can, every time. That's right, we're here, hawking CDs like we do every third Sunday of every fourth month.
At 2 in the morning, yeah!
Yeah!
It's metal!
So, we did a write-in campaign and they said, we want that famous CD, that compilation, The Songs of the Blacksmith.
Such a good name.
Such a good name, such a hard job.
Why didn't Black Sabbath use that as an album title? That's what I want to know. Would have been metal! Oh. I think we should get right into it.
I'm feeling pretty mellow right now.
No, not mellow, metal, bro.
Oh, metal, I must misunderstood.
Yeah.
Because metal and blacksmiths are one and the same.
That's what I'm saying.
It's a blacksmith who turns stuff that's not metal into metal that we can use.
Technically, they melt metal, which is so metal.
It's metal. And you know, I've got a lot of tracks on this CD that I just absolutely fucking shit.
Nope, $5 ticker.
That I just love. And the one, it's number 3. I know you know it.
Mm-hmm.
I bet it's your favorite too.
Absolutely.
Go ahead.
The name of the song is Metal Monday.
Metal Monday. Yeah, it's that old blues classic.
Blues, that's what I was
Let's hear it.
thinking.
Let's hear it.
Metal, let's hear it.
I don't like Sunday. I don't like Tuesday. I like me some Monday. I like me some Monday. When I'm slapping the shoes on a horse, I wanna feel some metal. I get up at 2 o'clock. You know that shit is metal, 'cause I wanna have my Monday. I wanna do it again, 'cause I do my little Mondays, and I won't do it again.
I gotta tell you, that song takes me back.
That's surprising.
What's surprising about that?
Oh, I didn't picture you a blues man. I thought you were more of a countryman.
No, every time that song came on, I went out back because I couldn't, didn't want to hear it.
Now he did say shit,
That's
so I think
okay.
we have to put money in the.
We have to write him and get him to
Okay.
put money in the bucket. Yeah.
Well, that
The
is
life of a blacksmith is not an easy life.
it was a hard life for those blacksmiths.
I'm telling you,
Metal life.
with a hammer in one hand and tongs in the other,
And just liquid metal everywhere.
and in
It's like
front
little pools of
a
metal.
fiery furnace. It's hot.
Damn hot.
They don't wear much.
And that is the name of the 7th track on the album. Damn hot.
Damn hot. And it's really more of a kind of a southern rock kind of song. Yeah.
With
I
a
love it.
little bit of metal.
Of melted metal. Fiery hot. Let's take a listen. Sings that shit.
Yeah.
It tells us.
I feel like
It
it's
tells us.
maybe not a complete song.
Maybe not. You know what though? Little known fact. Little known fact.
Drop
that
some knowledge. Metal knowledge.
Women love blacksmiths.
Yeah.
And you know why?
Because of metal.
And metal and sweat and big bushy black beards.
You think women are really into big bushy black beards?
Aren't they?
Now, you did bring up big bushy black beards.
That's right.
Which is a deep track on this album.
Way deep. It's way deep. It's like tune number 84.
Right, you listen to the
On
end
the
of the track.
fourth CD.
The fourth CD.
Yeah.
The backside. People didn't even know the backsides of CDs work, but this one does. This one does. You need a special CD player to play it.
Yeah, and you had to pay attention to the Easter egg on the last track of the third CD.
This is a fucked up album! Who produced this shitty album? My dogs. All right, let's get to track number 82.
Yeah.
Big bushy black beards. Which is a musical theater ballad. It is.
From that failed musical,
Big bushy black beards.
the title song.
I saw it off Broadway and it should have stayed there.
Way off Broadway. Way off Broadway.
So far off Broadway, it was in New Jersey.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, let's run it.
It's hot here in this factory, but it's not really a factory because it's only filled with horses and metal.
He's hot here in this factory, but he's really not at all hot. He's just what I'm settling for. It's his big bushy beard.
I will whistle hay,
Maybe he could shave it just one day for my birthday.
but that will never happen because I grow facial hair.
To tell you the truth, the hair is all over his body. It's gross.
Many people have tried to clip me.
I tried when he was sleeping. I got so close. I
Insist. You'll never get your paws and nipples on me.
maybe I should take out an ad on Farmers Only.
But one day, it was a Tuesday, evening crew. She was
On
young.
my birthday, because it was Monday.
She came to me with a raisin and some stuff.
It's time to change your life.
And I said, baby, if you want to take it, you go. But just remember this. There's something you must know. If you take my bushy black beard, you take my soul.
I tried.